Hey, what's up guys, happy new year. And I know this is probably not the first video of me you're going to see this year, because I already uploaded a video about the Viltrox 85 1.4. Check that video out. I really appreciate your support on that one. But happy new year guys. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for all the support that I've gotten from you guys in the 10 years that I've been doing YouTube. Yes, it's 10 years now. I've been doing YouTube since 2016. I've been uploading on this platform for 10 years, and that is crazy. So thank you for all the support. Thank you for all the messages. Thank you to people that have learned from me, because I feel like it's such like an honor to learn from, or to have somebody learn from you, because it just means that there's something that you're doing right. Like, I'm honored to be somebody that you'd come on their channel to learn from, or to get advice from, or to listen to my perspective or my point of view, because there's so many people online nowadays that are making content. You coming to my channel to listen to my point of view or to get knowledge from me means a lot to me. So thank you so much for the support that I've gotten from you for the last 10 years. I really appreciate it. Now, with that being said, it's been 10 years of being inconsistent on this platform. And that's because when I started YouTube, I didn't think I was going to stay this long on this platform, and I didn't think anything of it. I started creating YouTube videos as a way to show people around me how to edit photos, basically, because a lot of people reached out to me at that time. This was back in 2016, to say, how do you edit your photos? I absolutely love how you do your stuff, so just show us how to edit your photos. And I couldn't teach each person individually, and there were people around the world too that were reaching out to say, hey, I love your work. And I just felt like, hey, the best way to teach people was to upload my videos to YouTube, and it became a thing. And YouTube has absolutely changed my life, honestly speaking. And even though it has changed my life, I've never done this consistently, because it's never been something that I thought would be a full-time job for me. And I don't think I ever want YouTube to be a full-time gig for me. I still want to do photography professionally. I still want to have clients. I have a 9 to 5 that I'm doing right now. But YouTube has always been a place where I have come to express myself. I've come to teach people. I've come to have fun. And this is something that I really love doing. So the idea of this thing turning into work for me has always been a no. But at the same time, I realized that I love this, but I am very inconsistent. So my goal this year is to become more consistent on YouTube. And I hope that you guys can support me in achieving this goal, because when you create content and people do not watch your content, or YouTube is not showing your content to people, it's disheartening, because you put in a lot of work. But I'm not going to have that back of my mind this year. And even if I create a piece of content that people don't watch or whatever, I'm just going to move ahead and create more content. Like I said, I love being here. I love being able to teach. Fun fact, my mom and my dad were both teachers. So, being in a position where I can share my knowledge and also my opinions on certain things to people around the world, and you guys listen and also share that, in my sentiment towards some certain things, means a lot to me. So thank you so much. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here to say, obviously, I'm going to do a lot more videos this year, talking head videos, reviews, editing videos. I've been using Evoto recently, and they want to work with me, so that's great. I'm going to do more business-like videos, business-minded videos, but at the same time, I'm going to talk about photography as something that I love to do for fun, because I feel like we are in a place where we kind of concentrate more on the business of photography than any other thing. So yeah, happy new year to you too. I hope you have your goals set too, and I hope that you'd be able to chase those goals this year and achieve whatever goals you've set for yourself too. So the goal for me is at least 52 videos this year, so that's one video every week, and if possible even exceed that. That's the goal for me this year. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate you. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, give my video a thumbs up. It goes a long way, like I said. So thank you. It's 10 years this year, and it's unreal. But thank you so much guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video, man. Have a good one. Peace out.